Hello everyone, welcome. This is for the chase that took place on 3/14/2025. We were assisting the Warren County Amateur Radio Emergency Service. Thank you to Warren County Aries for having us along here. You're going to see us pull into our chasing position, and on the screen right now you will see exactly where we were saying compared to Indianola. Indianola was getting hit with these storms. They were moving south to north, which is not common for us, but for spring it does happen. So no tornadoes were reported that I heard in our area, at least with the team I was assisting, but we did get a lot of air ground lightning, a lot of pretty lightning strikes. So look for a video following this one with just lightning. It's just going to be a little lightning snippet, but for that I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and storm season 2025. I'll take this one. Yeah, there was no tornado caught on camera, but for a good early season chase, this was a good one to shake the dust off on. So with that, have a good one, and we will see you on the next one.